guys, I'm about to shoot an Amazon haul video. I just want to start off by saying that it takes a lot of self-control to sit with all of these boxes right in front of you and not open them. I opened one, but because I needed it, but it's back in the box. But the rest I didn't open, and honestly, I don't even remember what's in these boxes or what I ordered because I had just been adding stuff to my cart and then I bought it all at once. I think it's the biggest Amazon purchase I've ever made in one click. Okay, so should we start with the big box or the little boxes? Since I already opened this one, I think this is the only one that I know what it is. Actually, no, that's not the one. Is it? This is the one. I opened this one and I realized it's not what I thought it was, so I shut it right back. Item number one are these gloves. I use gloves whenever I clean, and I don't like the big rubbery thick ones because I like to feel what I'm touching, and these allow me to do that because they fit on my hands really snug. I like to get the black ones because they look cooler. They look way cooler than the yellow rubbery ones. Would recommend using them whenever you're cleaning or doing things that you don't want to touch with your bare hands. Oh, I've been waiting for you. Nespresso pods. I thought they would be super expensive, but the machine is actually not that much, and each pod comes out to like $2, less than $2, which is more than what coffee costs around here, so good investment. I hope it's something exciting. Do you guys ever open packages and remember the Unabomber and kind of hesitate opening it? I just had that feeling right now. What is this? Monday Born! Oh, I just remembered that. See, this is what I love about packages. This is Tenny Panosian's brand, and she came out with a skincare line, and this is the second one I've ordered. I really like how hydrating it is for my face. So, thank you, Tenny. Okay, this one is the one that I know what it is. I opened it last night because I was having tea. But I like this brand from My Minimal Research. It's the one with the cleanest ingredients. It's by the brand Live Well. Collagen peptides. All right, now this is a product that you can get on Amazon, but I got it from the website themselves. It's this brand called Jaws, and I learned about them from another cleaning video here on YouTube from Till Vacuum Do Us Part, and she uses these all the time. I used her discount code to get it directly from the website, but this is on Amazon if you need cleaning products that are clean in ingredients. These are non-toxic. What? They come with their microfiber cloths. There's different textures of them. This is more like, it looks like you would use to clean maybe your TV screen or your laptop screen. Did I cut myself? And these, I like that they're in different colors because you can assign a color to a designated spot so you don't mix your bathroom cloths with your kitchen cloths. That's pretty dope. So they come in empty bottles like this, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and each of them has a purpose. So this is a disinfectant, this is for granite, this is for glass, hardwood, kitchen, and shower. What's cool about this brand is that you don't have to buy new bottles. You just refill this one with pods that are like this. There's a line that shows you how far to fill it up. With water, you put the pod in, and once you close the nozzle over the pod, it dispenses the product into the bottle, and they're actually the same color of the bottles. If you guys like watching cleaning videos, Till Vacuum Do Us Part makes amazing cleaning videos. She's the only one I watch. She uses these, and I've been wanting to use them ever since I saw her use them. This is like when you were a kid and you had a birthday party and you had to open your presents in front of everybody. We sure did. What are you? This is bunch of stuff in here. OMG. OM. Gotta see this. Let's dig in. Ow! This seriously feels like Christmas. I don't remember what I got. This is for the kitchen, for you to clean your dishes. You put soap in here and it dispenses it every time you press down. So you don't have to keep getting your bottle, soaping it up. You just go dish, dish, dish. Soapy, soapy, wishy-washy. And it sits really nicely and beautifully on your countertop. I like this. I like things that are aesthetically pleasing and functional. USB power strip. Needed a power strip for all of my technology that I have to have plugged in at the same time in order to record my live workout videos. This one I got because it's round. You ever try to place multiple plugs on the rectangular strips and the heads of some of them are way too big and they cover up 2 or 3 spaces and you can't really use the entire strip? So I got this round one for that purpose because none of these large plugs will block the other outlet. That's gonna come in handy. Double-sided tape. Really strong double-sided tape because of the DIY projects that I have planned. LED strip lights. Masks. Disposable protective masks. It comes in a pack of 100 of them. And actually these straps for behind the ears look more comfortable than the ones I've been using. I had seen this at a really fancy hotel that I stayed at a while ago, and I really liked it. So I searched on Amazon to see if they had it, and they did. It's Calm Skin Chamomile Cleanser. My skin is very fussy, so if you have fussy skin, give this one a try. It has chamomile, calendula oil, sunflower oil, arnica, grape leaf extract, and biocomplex. They believe in organic, natural, biodynamic, sustainable, cruelty-free, and they don't have any parabens, stuff that I can't pronounce. Eminence Organic Skincare. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me mention that we'll soon be moving out of this condo, which makes me so sad because we've been here for 10 years and I love this place and I've had so much planned to continue to do here with DIYs and cleaning and decorating. So some of the stuff that I got was with that in mind, but we'll figure out how to repurpose it and how to use it. So I'll maybe take you guys along that journey of trying to find a new place and packing and moving. I haven't done that in 10 years, so I'm not looking forward to moving and all the labor that comes along with that. But I'm also kind of looking forward to it because it's exciting. It's a new start. We'll get to work in a new space and redecorate a new space and clean a new space. So I'll keep you guys posted about that. But for now, I'll show you guys around here in future videos and take you around. Dun, 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 dun. If you have pets or you just want to do your own carpet shampooing, I got this solution because I do have a pet. But this solution, which is probably in here, is the shampooer that I got. So I can shampoo my own carpets and I don't have to pay somebody else to come and do them. Like, they need it right now. But like I said, since we're moving, I don't know if I want to shampoo the carpets and then move. But that goes with that. Oh, there's 2 boxes inside this box. All right, I know what this is, and I'm excited for this one because it's a decorative piece and a functional piece. It is acrylic shelves. I'm so tired. So they stack on your wall just like this, and they're acrylic. The reason why I like using clear or acrylic storage containers or even decorative pieces is because they don't take up much visual space. I like things to be clutter-free, and if I can have items that I can see through, it tricks my brain and makes it think that it's really not there because I could see through it. All right, the last thing in this box is, I'm gonna open this box because you could see what's on it. It's a tripod that holds both an iPad and an iPhone. This will come in really handy for me. Again, when I'm teaching my classes, I can have both my iPad and my iPhone connected, because I use one of them for music and I use one of them to stream from. So that's gonna be really handy. Ooh. So this I already took out of the box, but it's, again, I had bought it for this window back here. It's just a backdrop with positive messages on it. So I could still use that anywhere. Okay, last box, and I think this one is the carpet shampoo. Yes, it is. They could have just sent me the box by itself. It's the Bissell Vacuum Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet. I got the one for pets because I have a dog. There's definitely a lot of stains that Charlie leaves around, so we desperately needed this. All right, guys, that's the end of the Amazon haul. Let me know if you liked the stuff that I got, if you have the stuff that I got, or if you're going to try some of the stuff that I got. Most of this stuff is new to me, so I'm excited to try them myself and let you guys know in future videos how they're working for me. I'm most excited to use the Jaws cleaning products. Let me know which products stuck out to you the most, and I will see you guys in the comments. We'll chat it up there. And Charlie, thank you for giving me a reason to buy a shampooer, because sometimes you miss and you get pee-pee on the carpet. Thanks for watching. Bless you. Have a good day.